What's up guys, it's Wubny here. I just made another bulk buy the day after I bought Dominic Pawpaw. So I have all this for Dominic Pawpaw, right? That's one box. Let me, I just got back. Thank you, Jay, you're a great dude. Funny story guys, I actually forgot about this because school's coming up, I was stressed. He called me, said, hey, you still wanna come look at it? I said, sure, let's go. I went over there, $130 for everything I'm about to show you. I'm ecstatic, I'm amazed. I don't know how I'm gonna show you because no room. So yeah, let me go get the rest of the stuff out the car. Just got everything up here. Out of breath because I went quick because I got school soon. I know I have a shower, I look nasty, whatever. I got stuff ranging from, this is for personal use because I need to test Xbox games. He said it worked, showed me it worked, cool. Threw this in for free. It's like a DVD player, something like that, right? All this stuff, brand new coffee maker, he threw that in. Like I said, Jay, you're a great dude, bro. I'm gonna send you the video once I make it. Thank you so much, because you can already see how much stuff I have in my room. You got me more inventory, man, and I really appreciate it because with school coming, I need work to do. I hate sitting around the house not doing work, not editing a video, not bettering myself. Excuse me, not bettering my YouTube channel, my business. I hate sitting around doing nothing. Thank you for this. So let's start going through it. So we got a bunch of PS1 games, Xbox controller, I want the Xbox, PS1 games, more controllers. Oh, there's a system in here? Dude, if there's a system, I would've gave you more Jay, man, I would've gave you more if I knew, but thanks, boss. Like I said, next time, he's cleaning out his house, guys. And I told him if he ever needs me to come by and see if I want something, PS1 games, right? All PS1 stuff. Great stuff. These go to the Clippers. He's doing a pair of Clippers for me too, because I know Jordan's a barber. I want to help out a brother when I can. So all the PS1 games into PS1, right? That's great. That's box one. Okay? Look at this. What? Oh my goodness. I believe these are all VHS tapes. So he gave me a bunch of VHS tapes. They're in pristine condition, right? They got some dust on it. They're VHS tapes, obviously. But look, they're open, but they're in pristine condition. See the packaging? All of them look like this. Every single one of them. So I should be able to get something out of those. That's box number two. That's probably the least exciting box. This item right here is worth around like $100. I think it was like 85 or something similar to that. SpongeBob games sell for a good amount of money. Looney Tunes, Acme Arsenal, Family Game Night, just a bunch of Wii games he threw in here. But he's with the PS1 games for now. Xbox One games, Xbox 360 games. A lot of them are sports games, but I mean, hey, he threw them in. Like he's trying to declutter his house, and he said instead of donating them, he'd rather them go to someone that'll do good with them. He knows that I own a business, and he knows I'll take care of them, and I'll sell them, and I'll make sure they go to as good of a home as possible. This I saw pre-owned without the box going for like 20 bucks plus shipping. I'm gonna try to get 40 for it, hopefully. More VHS tapes, Xbox 360 game, Xbox 360 game. A few more VHS tapes in here. Wii Sports, great. With the game, condition's probably great because they've been taking care of all their stuff. Yeah, condition's great. Couple scratches, that's what happens when you play the game. Xbox power cord. Like, it's just, I'm so shocked. I'm so excited. Back-to-back bulk buys. Back-to-back bulk buys. Like, I went from Dominic Pawpaw's amazing buy, which should be up by now, to this amazing buy. Is Super Mario Galaxy? Mind blown. More VHS tapes, more VHS tapes. We're doing a bunch of these. I originally came there for the VHS tapes and the DVDs and the games, and then he had all the, y'all know. Y'all see it. Y'all heard it. I don't know what else to say. I'm just that excited. Last box. I just recorded the restore and resell on that PS1, which should be up by now. I got 3 videos, a shipping video, 2 other videos I forgot about that'll be uploaded. Now I got all this. I'm excited. Let's see what we got in here. What is this? What's in here? Bunch of cool stuff. Let's see. Oh yeah, some socks. Oh yeah. I just sold something. Y'all heard that notification? I just sold something, baby. Oh my god, I'm super excited. I know I'm wearing something inappropriate, but I'm hot as hell. I got school tomorrow and I got stuff to do. I don't care, baby. But y'all see it. Y'all heard it. Y'all know who I am. I'm the Wubster, baby. I'm Wubny. So I have months of stuff already. On top of me consistently buying more buys. None of them will be this big. I've had back-to-back huge bulk buys, great bulk buys, crazy profit margins. Don't even know what the profit margin is going to be on this. I'm going to at least triple or quadruple my money. At least, minimum. 10 times my money. I don't know. Let's go, baby. I don't know what else to say. I'm going to go ahead and end the video. You know? Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and keep flipping, baby.
They all trying to be around, now I'm winning. I make it hits, but I'm still independent. Lil homie, I've been low-key chillin'. Tell your mom when I'm back, I'll be in it. I got a bad bag on my left wrist, fucking next bitch, had to go. Pull up in a new wig, got them clueless on my new shit, I'ma have to move on the low. Yeah, I know that they be fucking with the flow.